Hello. I can say that I am indeed privileged to be part of the participants of Jolly Phonics yesterday and for the Jolly Grammar today. Well, definitely what I can say is that for Jolly Phonics is that it is very an interesting and fruitful day for us being teachers because it is giving us the technique and the ways on how are we going to execute the activities very well inside a classroom. It has gestures or activities that will make for the students easy to memorize the different sounds of the words and how to blend it, and of course the letter formation of the sounds so that they will be ready for the next level wherein they were able to have the sentences and read and be able to write by themselves. And definitely it is a fun learning for the students for the kindergarten and the primary level as well. And for the grammar, it is some kind of easy activity for us, not just for the students, because it is being chopped into different activities wherein it is very fun, very lively discussion, wherein, let's say, for example, for the parts of speech, it is being broken down into pieces, into its parts with fun and happy activities and exciting one for them. So what I can say is that this Jolly Phonics and Jolly Grammar today seminar workshop for us is a good good sorry for us to become a better.
Good instrument. 1, 2, 3.
It is a good instrument for us being teachers so that we can execute our activities and lesson plan very well in order for us to have a better education for our students.
What about our trainer, Mr.
For Mr. Lack, well, I can definitely say that he is a very good trainer for the reason that he is giving us exactly, we feel like we are students, and then he is executing it like he is a teacher of ours, and then he makes sure that he is doing it in the manner that the students will understand the lesson and the activities very well. So in return, we can able to have it and implement it as well with our students the same as he is. And also he's a jolly person because he let us participate well, enjoy the activities, and of course, do it by ourselves.